Hey guys, welcome to WrapPixel. In this tutorial, you will get a comprehensive guide on the installation and customization of the admin template that you have recently downloaded onto your local system. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll be using one of the templates from WrapPixel. The process remains applicable to all the other templates as well. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started with the tutorial.
Welcome to Spike Admin Dashboard. Today in this video, we will see how you can download and install the admin dashboard and then how you can actually use it on your project. And as you can see, this Spike Admin Dashboard is built on Bootstrap and it has amazing 2D dashboards. And we have two dashboards as you can see on my screen. We have charts, forms, small apps as you can see here. We have the email, calendar, and different themes. For example, we have different uh, color options. You can choose out of 6. So once you download and extract the zip file, you will get these three main folders. The first one is dist, second is Figma file, and the third one is our main folder, which is package. Inside the Figma file, you will get a text document, and inside it, you will get the Figma link. If you want to check the designs, you can go to the link and check it. Then inside the package folder, we have demos, which is the main project, and then the starter kit, which has the basic elements of the project. Inside this folder, if you'll open the index file, it will open the main project. This is our main project, as you can see here, right? And to check the documentation, you just have to go to docs and open the index file. Once you open it, you will get the basic introduction of the dashboard. Here we have a support ticket. I'll tell you about the support ticket later. Right. So this is our package structure. It's quite easy to understand. As you can see, everything is mentioned. Dist folder, we have the generated production files. I have already told you about the design files. And inside package, we have the demo folder, which is one of the main folder. Inside assets, we have the CSS, fonts, images, JavaScript, SCSS. For the dark mode, we have dark, and for docs, we have documentation and landing page, horizontal demo. The main demo we have inside the main file. We have mini sidebar also, and RTN, RTL. It's like the when you want to shift the menu screen to the right side. Right. So inside the starter kit, we have the all the basic file of the project. So let's go and let's see how you can quickly start the project. Right. So the recommended environment, we should have Node.js 18 plus and the npm.js 8 plus on your local system. So you can simply check the versions. You just have to go and open the command prompt and type node space -v to check the node version and npm-v to check the npm version. So my both the versions are compatible with the project. If you're getting any error, then you can go to their official website and download the node and npm from the official website on your local system by clicking on to download, and it will download the node.js environment, and then you can install it. Right. Let's go to the second step. What we have to do, we just have to open the folder, the main folder inside the VS Code or any code editor which you will prefer. So let's go and open the folders inside the VS Code. So this is it. I have opened the main folder inside the VS Code. Let's go back and see what we now we have to install. The node package modules. If you're using yarn, you can go with yarn install. I'm going with npm install. Let's go back, open the terminal and type npm space I. It's basically the short form to install both package modules. Now the npm modules have been installed. As you can see, a new folder has been created by the name of node underscore modules. Now let's go to the documentation again. So if you are using Gulf for the first time, you might have to install the Gulf globally onto your local system by typing this command npm install hyphen global Gulf CLI. And if you want to check if Gulf is already installed on your system or not, then you just have to go to the command prompt again and type Gulf space -v to check. So my CLI version is 2.3. It means it's globally installed onto my local system. So I do not have to install it again. But if you are facing any issue, then you might have to install it onto your local system. Now I just have to type Gulf to start the project. Right. So as you can see, our project has been started on localhost 3000. So now let's go back to the documentation. So this is the build command. If you want to deploy it onto your server, then you just have to type Gulf build in order to build it. You'll get a specific folder, and then you just have to deploy that folder onto your server. So let's go to customization and check how you can manipulate or change the default settings. So in order to change the default settings, you just have to go to this path first. So it's inside the src folder and then assets and JS, it's inside theme, and then it's the main init.js. This one is the main file, one of the main file. So these are now the default settings for the side menu. Basically this one, right? If you want to change this default settings, you just have to make changes in this. So I've changed the default theme light version to dark, and let's see if it's going to change or not. See, now the default version is dark. Same way, you can change the color themes. So we have 6 color themes, as you can see here. Let's change the color theme to orange. I've saved it, and let's see. Now the theme has been changed to orange. So this is how you can change and manipulate the main theme. Just one file, and you can change the layout, the sidebar, if you want box type layout, if you want the direction on RTL or left to right. Let me show you. We'll go to the right direction, and you can bring back to left. Theme I have already shown you. You can change the color themes. You can, if you want card, border or not, and it's boolean value, you can make changes, right? Let's go back, and I'm changing the dark theme to light again. So theme color, this is the main file I've already shown you. So let's go to change logo, how you can change the logo of the project. So it's inside demos src main partial. Inside main, we have partials and then logo sidebar. This is the file. Since we have two different modes, So we have two different logos for light theme and the dark theme. So you just have to make changes here and your logo will be changed. And so we have also mentioned where you can put your logo image inside SRC assets image, and we have a particular folder by the name of logos, and the same path is here also, right? So if you want to make changes in the theme of colors, then you just have to follow this this one. Suppose if you want to make changes in the blue theme, then you have to make changes inside underscore variable hyphen blue. Let me show you. So this file is inside assets, and as CSS we have variables, and inside variables we have our themes. So right now we are using blue theme. So primary is the blue color we have here. I'm just commenting it down and I'm just changing this color to black. Now I have saved the primary color has been changed to black. So this is how you can manipulate the files. If you do not like the colors or if you want to change the colors, then you can simply do it from here. You can change any color if you want. We have different files. One of the main files is also the theme variables. No, it's not one of the main files. So one of the main files is underscore variables.scss. We have all the main colors. You can make changes inside this one also. This is the file, right? So it's for a different color themes. Since we have 6 color themes, it's for aqua theme, it's for cyan theme, it's for the green theme, then we have orange, then purple theme. It's pretty easy. You just have to make 2 changes and the color will be changed. Let's go to theme UI. For the colors, I have already told you. We have the variable.scss. This is the file. So these are the main colors. If you want to change it, you can change from this file, right? And for typography, uh, just have to import the Google link. We are using Jakarta font as of now. You just have to paste the new Google font link inside styles.scss, which is inside the variables again, right? You just have to import the Google theme here, and then you have to make one more change inside the same file variables.scss, which is to mention the actual font family. So yeah, there it is. This is the one. Then you have to mention the font family here, and then save the file. The font family will be changed. So let's go and see the icons. So this project is using tabular icons. It's pretty easy. Uh, the it's already installed. The library is already installed. If you want to use any icon, then you can simply go to the official website and then copy the name of that icon, and then you can simply import like this and use like this inside the I tag. This is the one. AI mode happy for these files. Since the project is based on Bootstrap, so we have also mentioned the basic Bootstrap buttons, like the Bootstrap UI basically. You can have a look on. So it's basically the shortcut if you want to make changes inside the Spike admin dashboard. Then you can simply go to this file. If you want to change any button design, you want light buttons, then you can do it. We have modals and everything, tabs, grids. As you can see here, everything is here already mentioned. So you can copy and use it directly inside the UI files. So this is how you can change the Spike admin dashboard. It's pretty easy. You just have to make changes in few files, and your project will be ready to deployed in a very short period of time. But if you still face any issue, then you can go to the introduction and then support. We have given a link. It's support.wrappixel.com. You can raise a ticket, and your ticket will be resolved as soon as possible. Thank you.